Interesting. Alright, this is going to be the other elevator at JCPenney, Tacoma Mall. Button kind of shocked me a little bit. There we go.
Mine seems a little finicky.
Yeah. The door kind of looks to me kind of like an old Otis door, to be honest.
The location of this one seems more like it would have been the original.
Yeah. Right? Just look at the cab. Oh wow, look at how high this button panel is.
That is definitely not ADA.
Okay, wait.
Oh, got it.
Are you guys elevator enthusiasts?
Yes.
You are. Can Anthony come with you guys?
Absolutely. Is he's one too?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's funny. Yes, we are elevator enthusiasts.
You are. Anthony, look. Look. They're recording.
Hello. Oh, that's awesome motor. You want to send it down to the lobby?
Push it now. Oh, wrong one.
We want to go to the lobby. Are you guys from around here? Oh, cool.
Are you?
No, I'm from Florida.
And I'm from California.
Oh, wow.
Does he have a YouTube channel?
No, but he watches Diesel Doozy. Who do you guys watch?
I do watch him sometimes, but my channel is Floridian Elevators.
Floridian Elevators?
Yeah.
Okay.
And mine is West Coast Elevators.
Okay, we'll look you guys up.
Have you been just going around the mall riding the different elevators
Yeah,
here?
he gets bored of them.
Yeah, if they're the same ones to see all the time.
Did you guys come up here just for the elevator?
Oh no, but we have been riding a ton here.
Yeah.
You want to go
It's
up one more
definitely
time? You want to go up one more time?
What is it? What West Coast and Floridian elevator?
Yes. All right, let's be quiet because I want to listen to this motor. And we'll get off on the lobby. So how long has he been into elevators? How old is he?
26.
Oh wow.
What is it that about the elevators that you guys like? Just everything.
They're just, I mean, the way they work, and there's a variety of different like buttons and makes and models, just like cars and any vehicle.
And then also like the motor sounds, like this one's very nice.
Have you gone to any elevators in like downtown here?
Oh yeah, we go to the parking garage down by the Tacoma Dome. If you go, there's one that has a really good lookout of like Mount Rainier.
Oh, that's
It's a
cool.
glass elevator. There's not very many of those in Tacoma.